got a 2000 Ford here. The biggest thing you need to know is the 5.4 and the 4.6s. They are the same on the belt diagram, I believe. I want to say like 97 to 04 or 03. So we're going to use a 1/2-inch drive breaker here, and we're just going to put it on the tensioner. Now you see how the belt goes around the tensioner, so we need to pull this tensioner this direction. And then we'll just take it off the alternator first. And if you need the diagram, it goes above the alternator, around the power steering pump, and then up and under and go back over the water pump with the flat side, back around the crank, around the AC compressor, and then around the tensioner and back to, what is this? Oh, this tensioner, the idler. So let's go ahead and pull it off there. I got help here, so he's going to take the tension off of it, and I'll pull the belt off. Just lift it right over top the alternator, just like that. And then you can just take it off everything. The reason they go around that water pump like that is so you don't have to get under the vehicle. Everything will come loose and come right up through here. And then all we're going to do is set it back on, put the tensioner back on, and run it in the same exact diagram. So I hope this video helps you out. Please click like, please click subscribe, click on my name underneath this video for all my other how-to videos. And as always, guys, enjoy.